Let's see kung kasya kayong dalawa dyan, ha? Nandun na si Habs, guys. Ngayon pa lang namin nalaman na yung 10,000 na binabayad-bayaran namin ng ilang taon.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy.
Good morning, everything. Good morning. Hey, what are you doing over there? Guys, good morning, everything family. So we are the everything family, and thank you so much, family. That means you. So thank you for stopping by sa channel natin. So we are a family of everything or nothing. So yon. So anyway, good morning. Punta tayo sa garahean. Gagawa tayo ng anong oras na ba, guys? Nag-edit ako ng video, guys. Kaya nga nakasalamin. It's 10:18 na ng umaga. Oh, andito si Habs. Baka mahulog kayo, guys. Kasi andito siya. Pwede siya ito sa dryer. Ilagay natin siya sa dryer, guys. Ilagay ko siya sa dryer, pero yung parang light lang yung pagkaano niya ba. Hala, ginoo ko. Bah, don't do that. Isker, mama. Isker yung mama. Marami sa inyong nagtanong, ano yung nilalagay mo sa loob ng ng dryer? Ito po siya, guys. Amoy. And yun, maamoy siya, mabango siya, and also, siya, para pang wala ng static, and sa wrinkle. Okay, para walang wrinkle. Air fluff lang ba? Ano? Yun. Delicate yung pagkaano sa dryer. I am making you a box. Ang ingay talaga ng dryer, guys. So, hanap tayo. Marami namang box dito. And then, lagyan natin ng parang regalo. Yun yung gift natin sa pusa natin. And, I think ito siya. Kasi, strong. Hopefully, tayo dito. Ay, ang hirap naman dito, eh. Ito, kasi strong and hindi kalakihan. So, gawin ko tong bahay-bahayan nila. Ito yung safety deposit. Safety deposit box nito. Yan. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna wrap it.
I'm saying you just can't seal it permanently. Look,
No.
Stop eating the damn food.
Boy, no! Gahig ulo ka, ha? Okay, guys. So, maghanap muna tayo ng mga and then babalikan ko kayo. Somebody's already inside. I'm not even starting yet. Ano pang dito? Okay. Maraming gift wrap. And ito yung gamitin natin. Yan. Oh, I forgot. Debs, you have to move. I'm going to make his box, DDM.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me at the same time. I'm in the daylight, calling to say hi. But your words if there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, silence speaks so loud.
What is it?
Silence speaks so loud. And I hear you calling out.
Well, the TCP hard drive is nothing but a
Andito
bunch
na
of
sa loob,
files.
guys.
I mean, the files are big files. You know, there's two big.
Talking about nothing. Then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your...
Dimples, I'm the one who gave you this toy. Cannot just grab my finger in the window. Andun na si Dimples sa loob, guys. Natawa ako kasi si Habs, tinitignan niya yung kapatid niya sa loob. Naislapan, nalaparuhan ka tuloy, Habs. Dims, are you happy? Tignan niyo to, guys. Tignan niyo yan, guys. Habs, look. Habs. Habs. Look, your sister. You guys are funny.
For sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Silence speaks so loud. And I hear you calling out. Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud. And I hear you calling out.
So, ito na yun siya, guys. Ito na yung box nila. And then, my door. And yun na yung door. And my window. Like, ito yung window. And then, yung dalawa is, ano siya, para laro-laruin nila. Ganon. So, marami man itong gamit itong mga alaga namin as in tinatago na lang. So, ngayon, ito siya. Ilagay natin siya sa loob. Ito. And meron din silang parang kung gusto nilang mag-scratch. And then, yun. Kung gusto nilang laro-laro, ganon. Meron dito ding laruan sa loob. Look. So, ito yung door. Pag open mo, meron silang laruan. Merong pang scratch. And then, sold na yung laro-laro nila. Hi, baby. Hello. You can have your toy na. You can have your toy. Look, is that nice? Look, he's like looking at the window, guys. Look, a house is coming. Look at that, guys. Look. Oh. Oh, look. We went in there, look. Oh. Okay. Let's see kung kasya kayong dalawa dyan, ha? Nandun na si Habs, guys. Look. Honey, look at the two of them, honey. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. Look. Happy, Habs. Okay. Hi, how are you? How are you, Papa? You just wanna be there? Ha, Babag? So, ngayon, tapos na tayo, guys. Proud na proud sa sarili si ako. Nakagawa tayo ng Christmas box para sa alaga. Andito pa rin si Dimples. She's sleeping. Can I take this toy away? Can I take the toy? It's just happy man oy. You're happy. Oh my goodness, you have a tiny house. Can I close the door? Can I close the door for you? Merry Christmas, Dimp. Walang ganap, guys. Naliligo lang si Tami. So, yun. Gusto kong mag-shopping. Bibili ako ng cover nito, guys. I think ang may maganda naman sa Walmart. Ang maraming maganda sa Target din, pero mas mahal-mahal sa Target kaysa Walmart. And then kailangan ko itong i-measure kung saan, kung ano kataas siya. Kanina ba may snowflake? May snowflake dito kanina sa ano, nag-snow kasi sobrang ginaw, 'di ba? Naliligo si Mister sa bathroom. Naliligo siya. Tignan natin yung light kung on. Oy, nag-snow talaga, guys. May snowflake talaga. Maliit siya, pero kunti lang siya, pero nakatanggap kami ng ano. Ay, hindi ko na i-share sa inyo kasi ano, yun, basta nakatanggap kami ng ano, tinawagan ni Tami. And then yun, pagtawag niya, hindi pala kaibiyanan yun, sa kapatid pala. And then, i-share ko na lang kasi ano. So, and then, so, it's been forever. It's been 10 years. I think 10 years or 11 years. Kasi, kaparehas ng pangalan yung, i-share ko na sa inyo ha. Kaparehas ng pangalan ni Bianan yung bunso nila. And then, yung middle lang yung kakaiba. Kay Bianan, L. Sa anak niya is A. Pero, palagi kaming nakatanggap ng life insurance po ito. Palagi kaming nakatanggap kasi pare-pareha sila ng life insurance. Pareha yung pangalan. Prudential. So, tanggap kami. So, sabi pa, may loan 10,000. Bakit 10,000? Ganun sabi. No, matagal na to. And, naano ako kasi sabi pa. So, kay Bianan kasi Isabel L. So, yun. So, sige, si Tami nagbabayad kasi, you know, para, you know, yung time na yun, nag-inisip namin ni Tami kung hindi ito mabayaran, $10,000, diba? Pero hindi namin binayaran ang buo ni Tami. Binayaran namin monthly, tag 200, ganun, hanggang ma-fully paid yung loan na 10,000. So, yun, pagkatapos nun, kami yung nagbayad. Bayad kami ng bayad. Kasi ang inaisip namin, Tami, kapag hindi namin babayaran, walang matanggap yung mga anak para man lang sa pang-funeral, 'di ba? Yun ganon. Sabi sa ina nila kung darating man yung panahon. Yun yung iniisip namin that time. And yun, pagkatapos nun, so na-impas na nabayaran na lahat. So ngayon, nakatanggap kami, 'di ba? Wala na si Bianan. And then nakatanggap pa rin kami. Sabi ko, 'di ba nakuha na yung ano, life insurance? Nakuha na ninyo. So, wala nang dapat alalahanin. Pero, nakatanggap pa rin kami. Tanggap ng tanggap, ganun. Isabel L. Sabi ko, tawagan mo to. Sabi ko, hindi ko to bayaran. And then, may additional loan na naman. May loan na naman na naka-add something na hindi daw nababayaran. Ganun. Sabi ko, tawagan mo to kasi confusing na ito kasi buti na lang pinatawagan ko bago bayaran yung mga dapat bayaran, di ba? So, sabi niya, hindi man ito sa ina, sa kapatid mo to, na ano lang yung pangalan, dapat A. Sabi niya, sa kapatid pala, sabi pa ng asawa. Sabi ko, tawagan mo para hindi tayo magbayad, ano tong loan na to, bakit may loan? Wala na nga yung ina mo. Ngayon pa lang namin nalaman na yung 10,000 na binabayad-bayaran namin ng ilang taon, hindi pala yun sa ina. Sa kapatid pala yun. Nag-loan pala sila. Kami yung nagbayad. So, matawa na lang ako na nakairita na nakakagalit na yun. Pero sabi pa ni Tami, wala na tayong magawa. Tapos na yun. Yun. So, sabi ko, parang para-paraan lang ha. Iba-iba yung pangalan. Para ma-cover mo. So, yun. And, share ko lang sa inyo kasi share ko naman lahat. Lahat talaga. At saka ito, patay na. At putulin na natin yan kasi patay na siya. And guys, yung plano ko, yung 1 o'clock na, patayin natin ito. O, kasi nag-ano na siya guys, o nalusaw, o diba nalusaw ito sa ano. So yung nalusaw siya. Dimples guys is still in that little teeny tiny house. I will show you ho. Kasi walang dark kasi eh. Yun. Hi. Say hi.
Hi guys.
He's busy always guys. Always in the phone. Okay. I'll show you Dimples. Okay. She's right there. Knock knock. Who's there? Oh look. So happy. Oy, you have a tiny house. Oy. You're so happy man na. Oy. How's the house, Dimps? Kakaiba itong mga lampshade nila. Ay, mga babae. Babae man ito, guys. Gusto ko lalaki. Gusto ko lalaki talaga. So, ngayon, hindi na ako magluluto pala guys kasi wala, hindi ako magluto. Mag-leftover lang kami ni Tami. Meron naman kami mga leftover din. Ito yung buhay namin guys. Sobrang boring because my husband is so boring. Hindi naman ako pumunta dito para magpamasahe.
Why am I looking at myself in the camera? I look like crap.
No, you're not.
I am.
You're not.
I am.
Bazinga, honey, bazinga. Honey, bazinga. How's your back? Still in pain?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Do you want me to put the thing? Why?
So the pain has gotten worse.
You wait until it gets so bad?
Really better.
Huh?
Well, because I don't want to trigger an inflammation that's not. Just enough puppies. This is poison puppies.
That's two of them, oh. And then, later on, tignan natin kung makaalis kami to para ipakita ko sa inyo, yung dito sa countryside, may mga ano din. Ha? Yeah. Sa countryside, may mga lights din. Meron din, ipakita ko sa inyo kung meron na mga bahay dito na naglagay ng mga lights. So yun, pero yun, dahan-dahan lang kami kasi yun, maraming deer na tumatalon sa daan. Saka delikado. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung mga bahay-bahay. So, keep on watching!
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud. And I hear you calling up. We're talking about nothing. Then you said something under your breath. I can't take it. I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. looks like snow when it falls in the wind, you know. And you, oh you say you wanna dance. You're wary, you know, you'll end up in the wrong hands. And you're having fun. Why don't you show your friends? And you're having fun. What if it never ends? I swear I've seen you before, holding your shoes in your hands, running out that door. And you are nothing, but you say you wanna dance. And you're wary, you know, you'll end up in the wrong hands. I'm lacking sincerity, but you don't care at all. Miss booze, lit cigarettes, trying to take me home. Falling in love just a million times, breaking it off, put the feeling on ice still. She's as cold as December.
That's our lights. Guys. So ngayon, bahay na kami and wala masyadong naglalagay ng mga Christmas.
Tell me if the garage on. I shut it off.
No, it's no. It's just the up. It's ano. So that's it, guys. It's wala na masyadong mapakita kasi wala na talagang ano. Wala masyadong mga taong naglagay ng mga Christmas decor, right, Han?
Yeah.
So very supportive husband goes to look. Goes to Tommy. He drive everywhere just to show you guys the sad Christmas here in New York. Upstate. Ay. And then he back up. He back up. He know how to back up, guys. He usually just go forward.
I don't know how you do.
I know you would say that. So yun lang. Ay, Misty. Always carry that groundhog. I know. Go, Dada. Go to Dada. Go to Dada. So that's it, guys. That's it. Yun lang yung mga kaganapan natin sa buhay. And hindi na ako magtagal. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa mga kaunting Christmas decor sa mga kapitbahay dito or sa mga bahay-bahay dito sa aming lugar. So, yun. And, i-in ko na dito, guys. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe. Bye, mga ka-everything family. Bye. Where's my baby? Thank you, Han, for driving me around. What the heck? Ala, I kick him.
Why would you do that?
Because he ran. Say bye, everything family.
Hi, everything.
We are the everything family. Everybody should be. Anyway, guys, bye. See you tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.